How frickin' far back are we right now? Holy, we're like 1.5 kilometers from Fanshawe Park Road. I'm trying to figure out what the person in front of this guy's got on. They got like a garbage bag or something flapping around on the roof. Jesus, that's one line of cars from probably Sarnia Road to here. Or at least Gainsborough. Jesus, there we are, stopped again. This city, I swear, just slowly become some of the worst drivers in this entire province and therefore country and therefore world. Then it just opens up into nothing. Yeah, they've got a dead bird. They got a fake, I'm hoping it's a fake dead bird, upside down on their vehicle. I don't know if you can see that or not. We're gonna try to zoom in on. You see that? That's a fake, hopefully a fake dead bird on the, like, stuck somehow to the car. I do not know how the heck they're doing that and why the heck they are doing that, but that is City of London for you right there. And that's an unsafe thing to be doing, and hopefully the police are monitoring that. We're at a stop, so no issue with what we're doing.